Alright, it's your boy Jay. I'm out here about to show y'all how to place a cabin filter on a 2013 Cadillac SRX SUV model. Basically what you have here is the cabin filter. This is the brand that you need, and it just basically tells you that it helps with the population, with pollution, pollen and all that stuff getting inside your interior. So basically what you do, you open up your glove box here. I already taken the two screws out. These two screws, cross tips or Phillips, will be on the side right there and right here. So once you remove those screws, this top portion pretty much just slides on out. Not too far up. There you go. And there you have it. Right there is the location where the filter is. So you basically just have the top portion piece right here. You gotta lift up, and this side right here and the side over there. Let's see if you can see that. Shine a light up in there. You see it right there, and you just kind of unlatch them from each other from the end like that, and it just flip down. So it just flips down, slides down, and you just pull it out. So that's the old one. And here's the new one, so you can probably see one's clean and one's dirty. So you just pretty much replace the old one with the new one. It's not really matter how it goes in, because it just goes in. Oh well, actually it does, cause see, it says air flows down, so want to make sure you get that in the same fashion. So air is flowing in, so it's coming in, it's going down. So just slide right back up in there. Nice fit. Get that side, and the top. And that's basically how you get rid of it. That's how you do it. You just throw the old one away and put everything back, assemble everything back together as it was before. So, and then screw it in, and then you're done. So that's basically how you that's how you do it. Put a cabin filter in on a 2012 Cadillac SRX.